The fuel prices has skyrocketed yet again in South Africa, and we are all feeling the squeeze. For most South Africans, our budgets are failing us because of hyperinflation. The price at the fuel pumps are not just affecting our driving. It's more than that. It's food, it's logistics, and it causes, like I said, hyperinflation. And so many South Africans has already started to cut back on their budgets just to try to get by. But life is more than just surviving. What if you can build a buffer against everything? Is it possible? As an independent contractor with DealPoint, I help South Africans to look at their finances differently. The DealPoint system is not about selling products. It's about being a product owner yourself and having access to three basic services like medical, legal access, and home and road assist. The plus point in this is that you are actually in a position to build an asset for yourself and your loved ones, being able to leave a legacy. I've put together a breakdown of how to use these tools to build a stable and better financial future for you and your family. If you're curious to know how this system works, comment the word info or send me a WhatsApp to learn more.